Sandra hasn't raised her rates in 3 years. She knew she should, but every time she sat down to figure it out, she spent 2 hours going in circles and still not decide anything. Then she asked AI. She had her answers before her coffee got cold. When you run a business alone, every big decision lives entirely in your head. No partner to bounce it off, no team to gut check you, just you, a browser tab, and a lot of second guessing. That's exactly what AI can be, if you know how to use it. First, give AI your situation and tell it to ask you a question before it gives advice. I'm going to show you an example using Sandra, a solo online tutor. The full prompt template is in the description. You just swap in your own details. Copy this prompt, paste it in, change the details to match your business. Instead of giving you a generic answer, it asks you 3 specific questions about your business. Sandra answers. She's about 50 to 75% full. Occasionally parents push back. And her main goal right now is to earn more without working more hours. It tells her she has a strong case for raising rates and gives her specific numbers. And then it shows her the math. Then she asks the question she's been writing. What do I say when a parent pushes back? Copy this prompt, same session, still in ChatGPT. It gives her exact scripts for every scenario. And then it reframes something most solo business owners get wrong. Losing a few price-sensitive clients after a rate increase isn't a failure. Fewer hours, more revenue, more energy. Last prompt. This is what turns it into a system. Copy this prompt, ask AI to turn everything you just discussed into a framework you keep forever. A complete pricing decision framework she can reuse every single year. Sandra copies it into a Google Doc and saves it. Sandra spent 2 hours going in circles on this decision every time. She had her answers before her coffee got cold. 3 prompts, 1 decision made. Copy them from the link in the bio. What's the business decision you've been going in circles on? Drop it in the comments or write your prompt for it in the replies. And if this saved your time, subscribe. New systems for solo business owners every week.